Díogwith, I would like to update you on some positive changes to the visiting guidance for nursing homes. COVID-19 cases and outbreaks in nursing homes are now at a very low level, largely due to the positive impact of the vaccine programme. 10 days from now, the following new changes will take effect. People living in nursing homes can receive a minimum of 4 visits per week. Routine visiting will no longer need to be scheduled in advance. There will be no requirement to have a list of nominated visitors. Duration of visits will not be limited. All providers should now move towards more normalised visiting. While this new guidance is another big step forward, we must all continue to be cautious as we continue to deal with the risks associated with COVID, not least the new Delta variant. I expect all nursing homes will follow these positive changes and engage early with residents and families on a return to more normalised visiting. Gurv Mahagut.